trying a different kind of video today. I wanted to take a little bit of a break from the eyeshadow tutorials because I'm getting kind of discouraged. It doesn't seem like I'm getting any type of traction with the content I'm creating. I feel like I'm wasting my time. So to distract myself, I'm just going to spend the day cleaning my room and doing a few things that I've been wanting to do but just been putting off. Some of that involves rearranging some stuff in this room, and I'll give you a little bit of a tour of what it's currently looking like, and maybe talk about what I'd like to do with this room. I'll also do a little bit of an update on decluttering. I posted a video, I don't know, maybe like 6 months ago now. It's been a while, and I never posted any updates about how that was going. I have done a little bit of stuff in that with decluttering, but just I haven't shared it because the progress has been pretty slow and I didn't feel like I had enough to share. Anyway, I don't feel like sitting here anymore, so I'm just gonna get to it. So here's an overview of my room the way it currently is. Yes, it's a mess. I haven't bothered to clean it recently. Anyway, the last time I showed you this room, these towers were over here, and I did say that I wanted to move them on that wall, and I'm okay with them there for now. And I changed my lighting setup. I was using one of these the way this is, and also another one that was pointed up at the ceiling to get like a nice diffused lighting situation. But I hated the way the light stand was just kind of taking up a whole bunch of the room, so I took that down. And I think this is a little bit more compact, a little bit cleaner. Behind me is what you see in the videos. I've got a bookcase, my closet. There's my bed. Yeah. So what I would like to try doing today is I want to set up another white desk and create like a corner on this right side of it and move my computer over so that I can have somewhere to rest my right arm while I'm editing. And what else? This bookshelf, I bought an extra shelf for it, so on the bottom here where I have everything stacked vertically, I want to take all that down and get as much as I can stacked horizontally. And just clean up. Maybe I might move these back to this wall if I can find a way to make that work. So I'm just gonna see what I end up doing with this. And then just to give you a little bit of an update on decluttering, I haven't made a whole lot of progress. And so that's why I haven't shared much. I haven't shared anything actually about it. But I have gone through this tower. This is all eyeshadow. And I have this bottom drawer full of stuff that is like I'm 99% sure just need to just toss and get rid of. So that was good. I spent a whole day going through everything, deciding what I didn't want anymore. This is also part of that. It's just stuff that's just way too old. And this is kind of like more maybe, but anyway, it's mainly these two drawers. If anyone's curious, I can pull this stuff out and show it to you, but I don't know if anyone really cares. As for the other stuff, I have a little area out in the hallway here. This is my dirty little secret of shit that I need to get rid of and I just haven't done it. It's like stuff that I haven't found a use for, that I don't plan on using, or stuff I've got duplicates of. It's just stuff that I need to get rid of. Okay, progress update on this room. I'm pretty much at the end of the day here. I have a couple more hours I can keep messing with this, but I'm getting kind of tired, and I don't know. I want to kind of think about what else I might want to do here before I do anything else. So anyway, I moved the bed. I wasn't planning to do that, but I kind of had an open space to work with and I just wanted to try it. And yeah, so it's all cleaned up for the most part. There's a few things I can't quite put away yet. I'm not entirely satisfied with this, and I have a few more ideas, but I don't know if it's worth spending the extra time to do it yet. I mean, maybe next week I can do it. I'm just not sure yet.